This is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our odd US dollar. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the section. Now let's start with our trend first thing first on our odd USD. You can clearly see it right here within this range, rearranging right here. So market is definitely rearranging, market is moving sideways right here. Now the market has literally dropped right here and it has come to establish our support level, right? We have a rejection that bounced up, right, to come to this level. Now market eventually dropped, right, to tap our support level. Now we should be market eventually bounced up, right, at this level. Now market has eventually dropped to this our support level, and now we've gotten a bounce up, right? Market eventually drop one more time again to reject, and we should be expecting a rejection at this level. The market should what, bounce up. So market should actually bounce up and should come to a level of 782. So guys, we should be expecting market to push up to a level of bullish. So let's see if market can give us about 50 pips for the day. So let's see it push up due to tag this high, thereby giving us about 50 pips for the day on our odd USD. So odd USD should be giving us a bullish move for the day because we are currently at the support level. This is a rejection zone. We are at the rejection zone. We can see the market has been rejected from this multiple times previously. We've gotten multiple rejection at this zone previously, right? See another rejection. Now we are here and we should be expecting a rejection from this level. So market should push up, thereby giving us a 50 bullish move for the day. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. Make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates. Like and share. Also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.